This is the Southco R4 electromechanical latch. With me is Greg Garno. He's one of the design engineers for this product, and he's going to walk us through the advantages and the components of this system. Greg.
R4-EM is a rotary-based latch. It does have a mechanical override portion if you do want to operate the latch mechanically. You can either attach a cable actuator to it to operate in the mechanical mode, or of course it is an electromechanical latch, so you can hook it up to a number of different control systems. In that mode of operation, it'll operate electromechanically on its own. The mechanism to operate is it's a gear-driven motor system. The advantage is it's a very compact form factor. It develops a lot of force for the actuator, and with that amount of force, the latch can accommodate a lot of back pressure on the drawer when it opens, so you can put a lot of gasket force on the latch and it will still operate, as opposed to some other technologies such as solenoids, which really can handle a lot of back pressure on the latch. It operates from 8 to 24 volts DC. It can operate on a small power source as a 9-volt battery. Typically we use 12 volts. It has different options for control functionality. It can operate either with 2 wires or 3 wires. In 2-wire mode, you can simply hook up power on it and keep the power for a minimum of 1 second. Or in 3-wire mode, you can have it controlled off of a very small control switch, in which case you just have to maintain a switch debounce time of approximately 50 milliseconds, or you can leave it on as long as you like. So it's very simple to operate, and is very flexible in the type of control that it can accommodate.
Could you talk about one of the first applications that we have for this? Would that be the medical cart and how that's used?
Yeah, we can, for medical cart applications, it's used in an application similar to this, in which it controls or latches a drawer, and the drawers are typically operated through a computer touch screen. So the user would go to their touchscreen and select the appropriate drawer they want open, and it would be the equivalent through their software of operating through the switch that I have here. So the user can operate it through the screen, or in case of emergency and backup power or for repairing, you can access in this particular application directly through mechanical override, so you can access your drawers even if the power is down.
Via cable, or we could potentially put a lock plug on there where some form of mechanical locking device that would open that up as well.
Correct. There's a multitude of different applications that are possible, and you can directly access the mechanical override, or through different we have a bracket system to accommodate a cable, and the end of the cable you can have different actuators, either a locking actuator or simply mechanical actuator. It's a very flexible latch.
Great. Well, Greg, thanks a lot. This is a great product, and Design News, we hope you like this. And that's the end of our presentation.